We shouldn't tell the rabbi they won't let him into the cemetery. At least he waited till my mother died.
I still can't believe he would do that. After everything he went through.
Your father suffered a lot, Ben.
He didn't suffer. He was impenetrable. Can I ask you something? I don't understand how you could have gone through what you did and still be so generous, still write the things you do. I used to think that if I understood you, I could understand my father better. But it's like you're from different worlds.
I don't think so. Your father told me not long ago that he still would dream about his mother and father. Smallest things, the detail of his mother's coat, a button, his father's shoes outside in the rain, and that when he woke up in the morning, old as he was still crying.